How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and in this one we're going to be doing another episode of methodology. Today we're going to be looking at the Templeton Tonics method. How's that for a fucking intro? Fuck. Fuck, okay. How's it going, everybody? Cut. Fucking. Okay. Oh. God, that scared the shit out of me. How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and in this one we're going to be doing episode 2 of the new series Methodology, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Templeton Tonics method. So in the first episode of Methodology, we looked at the Lockhart styling method, and I feel like that episode went really well. Actually, it was probably one of the most fun videos I've made in a while, so I'd like to keep this series rolling and jump right into it with another episode. So for those who don't know, Templeton Tonics is owned by a guy named Chris Templeton, and honestly, just really genuine, nice guy. I always enjoy seeing his posts in everything pomade. He has got a really rockin' style, and his tonics and pomades are phenomenal. They're absolutely killer. So if you get a chance, check him out and try out some of his products. They are really phenomenal. The Templeton Tonics method is as follows. When using a grippy product, if you want to apply it without causing any sort of undue pain and duress, you can use a few drops of this tonic, like the one that I have right here, the Lockhart's and Templeton Tonics Fire and Brimstone, and apply it to your hair when you're pre-styling, and then you can apply the grippy product, no bother, and it just makes everything so much smoother and so much nicer, and you can still use a grippy product and get the benefits of that without the downsides of a grippy product. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be using the Fire and Brimstone tonic by the Lockhart's and the Templeton Tonics. So I'm going to take this and just maybe do 3 or 4 drops and apply it to my hair. Here we go. Alright, so now that the tonic is applied, I'm going to take a blow dryer and a paddle brush and style sort of as usual, just sort of bringing in the use of the tonic in order to style my hair a bit better, and then we'll go into the finishing product and why that is significant to this method. See, I'm getting better at these videos because I actually changed the camera angle just here so you can have a better view of me styling by angling the camera towards me, and so I can stand in front of my mirror while I'm doing this. Aren't I getting good at this? A little bit? Thanks to my 150 subscribers for sort of supporting me and really giving me the energy to go and do these videos, because, you know, I really do like to have fun, and, you know, there are sometimes when people comment, say like, oh, well, you know, you're really holding yourself back, and, you know, I just appreciate the people who sort of build me up rather than telling me what I'm doing wrong, just because this is for fun. You know, I'm not necessarily trying to be famous or anything with this. I wanna have fun, and I wanna show you guys what I can bring to the table. So thank you for all the 150 of you who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would implore you to go and hit the subscribe button. It just means that you'll get to see my crap videos whenever I upload one of my crap videos, and maybe support the channel. Thank you. So I'm gonna take blow dryer, high heat, high speed, paddle brush, and style as per usual. Here we go. Alright, so now that the hair is mostly dry, I'm going to take my finishing product, which for me is actually kind of special, and that is Cellar Door by Sheer Revival and The Pomp. And the reason why I was really sort of hunting for this product was that when Chris Templeton posted about his method in the Everything Pomade Facebook group, this is the product that he used. He used one of his tonics and Cellar Door, and he spoke about how it's naturally very grippy and sometimes uncomfortable to use, but that using this tonic made it so much easier and nicer. So I decided that I was going to try his method down to a T and try out this product. So, right into the hands and into the hair. Alright, so the product is now applied, and I can honestly say that the most uncomfortable part of this styling experience was the fact that I have a cut on my ring finger on my left hand, and oh my gosh, that was a little bit painful, mixing in the product, and ow. But the application of the product in actuality was very easy, it was very slick. This is the first time I've actually tried the cellar door, and I'm very impressed. I think that this method is already working great for me, and I'm not even done. So I'm gonna take my blow dryer once again and finish off the style, and then we can do the 360 and talk about this method. Here we go. Alright, so it took no time at all to finish off the style, and I think that has a lot to do with both the products and the method that we're using. And honestly, I can honestly say that this has refined my style greatly. It's the kind of thing where with the Lockhart's method, I thought that it was alright and that it has some applications, but it wasn't perfect for me. Yet this sort of allows me to branch out my style and use all products to the best of their ability, whether they're either sort of softer or harder or more sticky or more grippy. This method just has brought my style to another level. Alright, so here's a 360 of the style, and as always, while I'm doing the 360, you can go down in the comments section down below and mention if you have tried any of the Templeton Tonics or their pomades, and if you have any recommendations for future techniques or methods that we can use in this series, feel free to mention them in your comment. Here we go. Alright, so there you have it, Methodology episode number 2. I'm really having fun doing this new series, and I'm really loving this method, the Templeton Tonics method. I hope you've all enjoyed the information that I've been giving you in this episode, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.